Guardian or Tactic? Now, both are made by Hisun, but which one is right for you?
Well, I'm here to tell you about the better one of these two, and that's called the Hisun Tactic. Well, yeah, I like this Tactic because I'll make it work. I'm not just out there with all my bells and whistles and getting my hands warm and trying to drive a Cadillac around the trails, if you know what I mean. I'm here to push some snow. I'm here to use this in my day-to-day job. That's why this Workhorse right here is built to push the load. Yep, that's right. I'm telling you that my business cannot function without this. And luckily, I have a place called Fury Motorsports where I went down and I got myself a free plow when I got my Tactic. How about that? That is a win-win dinner, if you know what I mean. So I'm telling you that the Tactic is better than the Guardian.
You'll have to excuse my chromosomally challenged friend over there on the Tactic, but for me personally, I like the more comfortable approach, and the Guardian provides that. The new 2026 Guardian with its LCD screen, the heated grips that come stock, and about the same price range, but mind you, still with a free plow from Fury Motorsports, is my personal way to go. Not only that, but it just feels and looks better. The electronic ignition, the key fobs, it makes me feel like I'm living in this century versus other people. But regardless, the right decision can only be made by you. So why don't you come down to Fury Motorsports and see for yourself which one you are more comfortable on.